goat milk. So I was at the doctor's yesterday, and for some reason we started talking about donating sperm.
Well, here's a dirty magazine and some lotion. Now put up the statos for $100.
Whoa, $100! I wonder how much it is for a tank of sperm. I don't know, but I think my penis would definitely fall off. Yeah. I'm gonna eat the most nickels ever. One. Don't you get it? I'm a man. I have needs. You don't deserve needs. I'll just go masturbate by myself. Fine. Back-to-back masturbation wasn't working for me anyways. Do you ever realize how our population is filled with rapists and pedophiles who look like this? Well, I'm tired of that. I want hobos. They're so cute. Just sitting there with their bags and their shat-on clothes that smell like dead kittens. I just want to give them a big ol' hug and humble them by giving them a sandwich instead of booze where they can drink themselves to death.
Sandwich. Good job, you loser! Bitch! You know what? I'm sorry. You want a hug? Here, come on. Fine, get out of here! Stupid fucking hobos!
Your mother! She's so fat, ugly, faggot, she's stupid. Oh! Is it true that she only fell in love once, then she broke it? Is that true? Why won't this affect him?
Hey, look, Pokemon's on.
Well, why is Pokemon on? Pokemon's gay.
What the f***?
Well, obviously we have a rapist in Lincoln Park.
Fuck my life.
I hate you so much. I hope you know that. Oh, fuck! Fuck you! I knew you would mess it up! You dick! Want a sandwich? Come on, man! So funny! Come on! So you think you're ready yet? No.
He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they're raping everybody out here. You don't have to come and confess, we're looking for you, we gon' find you, we gon' find you, so you can run and tell back, run and tell back, run and tell back, oh boy, oh boy, we got your t-shirts and left fingerprints and all you are so dumb. You are really dumb, for real. The man got away, living behind evidence. I was attacked by some idiot in the context. So dumb, so